I just got the Stylus pen, point touch, draw right hand, no charging, Bluetooth connection, Stylus pen for touch, screen sensitivity, precision. You get a lot in the package. Here are the pins. I got one already worn in. These ends do nothing. These ends sort of work. On my Switch, it works pretty good. This, not at all. On my iPad, which was a big reason for buying this, here is my Apple Pencil. And here is it's real hit and miss. And it doesn't have any palm rejection at all. Oh. So definitely do not recommend these. I'm sending mine back. So these definitely get a thumbs down. If you're looking for this type of stylus, I recommend the Targus. I used this for years until I broke down and bought an Apple pencil. This way, if something happens with your normal pencil, you've got this one. It doesn't need to be charged or anything, and it always works. So that's what I have for today. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.